What should I do if my Xfinity Remote is not responding?
Hello there. Today, we're going to help you tackle a common issue, an Xfinity Remote that's not responding. This guide will take you through some simple steps that could fix your problem. Remember, patience is key, so let's get started.
Is the remote powered correctly?
The first thing we want to check is the power source. 1. Check the batteries. This might sound obvious, but often, this is the issue. Remove the old batteries, check for any leakage, and replace them with new ones. 2. Check the battery compartment. Make sure the batteries are placed in the correct orientation. Additionally, clean the contacts if necessary.
Is the remote synced to the device?
If power isn't the issue, we move to connection. The Xfinity Remote might not be synced to your device properly. 1. Try repairing the remote. This varies depending on your model, but generally, you'll hold down the Setup button, followed by the correct code for your device. Your device's manual or Xfinity's website should provide the correct codes. 2. Perform a factory reset. If repairing doesn't work, you can try resetting the remote to its factory settings. This is typically done by holding the Setup button, followed by the 981 sequence.
Is the remote broken?
If the steps above didn't work, we're down to hardware issues. 1. Check for visible damage. Look for cracks, stuck buttons, or other signs of physical damage. 2. Try a different remote. If you have another remote or a universal remote at home, try using it. If it works, your original remote may be broken. Those were some simple steps to troubleshoot your Xfinity Remote. Remember, don't rush, take your time with each step. If your remote is still not responding, it might be time to contact Xfinity support or consider getting a new remote. We hope this guide has been helpful, and thanks for watching.